Hey guys, if you are looking to buy or sell a property here in and around Puerto Vallarta, I am your girl. I'm Alicia Masters and welcome to Oceana here in the romantic zone in Puerto Vallarta. This condo that I have to show you today is for $768,000 US. You have 2 bedrooms here with 2 full baths, a little over 1,400 square feet, and everything that you are going to see, minus a few personal items, is all included in the purchase. All right, guys, so one of the main things that I love about this development is a location. If you are looking for a rental property, you literally just want to pop out of your door and be in all of the action that we have here in the romantic zone. This is the condo for you. You're literally on Basilio Badillo, which is the main road coming in and out of town. You're surrounded by bars, shops, restaurants, a block and a half until you get to the beach. There's nothing that this place is missing, and the rooftop is absolutely phenomenal. All right, guys, so stay tuned to the end of this video. If you want to see some still shots of this, I'm going to put some photos up. Look in the caption down below if you want more information about this condo. Also, how you can get in contact with me. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I do about 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. Without further ado, let's go get into this condo. All right, guys, let's go do it. This is the entrance to Oceana. Guys, it is kind of tucked away here. You wouldn't even know where the entrance is, but this is right on top of La Dolce Vita. This is the entrance to Oceana. You know, I always like to give you guys a little view of what everything looks like. This is your 360-degree view. If you wanted to pop up to like where Pier 57 and Selva Romantica or Sailview, you're gonna take these stairs right here. Just to kind of give you an idea of where you are, and look how close you are. Literally, you are popping out of your condo. La Dolce Vita is a great restaurant. They have lots of different Italian food. This is really popular at night. You can sit inside, you can sit outside. Directly across the way, you have Margarita Grill, aka Margarita Time, which they have live music. Tons of really great margaritas there. And you are literally only a block to the beach. So this is where you are on the outside here at Oceana. Now that you have had a chance to take a look at the outside, let's pop into the lobby and then pop up to the condo. Guys, this is the entrance coming into Oceana. This is what your guests are gonna see, or you, if you're gonna buy this to use as a personal residence. But you have a lobby that is staffed here 24 hours. I love they have like this little water effect going all the way from the outside to the inside. Nice and cool here, and let's get into the condo. Alrighty, welcome to number 105. I wanted to mention one thing about this unit that you might not know. This is the developer's mother's unit, so they put in lots of different upgrades. You see here off to the right hand side, you have a whole bathroom. Off to the left hand side, you have a bedroom here. I'm just gonna mention some things as I'm walking around. So this whole entire built-in unit is all upgraded. This does not come included in a normal sale. You do have a regular closet here. The size of this bed is a queen size bed, just to give you an idea for the space. And she is gonna be moving out, so you might see a little bit of things here that are getting ready for the move. Okay, so directly across the street or across the hallway, you have one complete bath. I love the finishes here. You can see they have nice stone. I love the finishes for the bathroom, the cabinet. I love when they do the glass stall shower with a rainfall shower, floor to ceiling marble. There's also a bench in the shower, and you do have a storage closet here. This is where you're gonna see the stackable washer and dryer, but this is a full-size washer and dryer, not like the stackable ones that you will see typically. So you do have a nice bodega here, storage bodega right in the bathroom. Making our way down into the hall, and you have all open concept living here. In the bathroom, they did put upgraded cabinets. They also upgraded the backsplash here. And this is super cute. Not a lot of places here have a dishwasher. This here is actually the panel for the dishwasher. I'm not quite sure how it comes. There we go. I was gonna say, not quite sure how it comes on, but yeah. So this is the panel for the dishwasher. So it's nice and hidden, blends in seamlessly with this beautiful kitchen. Also, this center island does not come. This is another upgrade here that you'll see. You do have enough space here for 6 people to eat. So in lieu of having a dining room table, you have a nice, beautiful kitchen. island here. I do love how they have the indirect lighting here in the ceiling, so you can use the can lights or you can use the indirect lighting. I'm gonna flip around to just give you another view here of the space. And then this is your primary suite. If you close this door off, you've got a huge door here, but this is the door that takes you into your primary suite. She does have a king size bed in here. There's also, behind these curtains, you do have a patio door, but I'm gonna take you out to the patio in just a second. The patio is humongous, and you are right over on Basilio Badio. Like I said, you're just popping out of your unit and you're in all of the action. I do like how they have a nice big wardrobe in here. Finishes, it's kind of similar finishes to what you just saw in the bathroom in the front of the house. This is her primary residence, the mom that was staying here. So you do have a lot of personal effects here. Typically when I show properties, hardly you see anything. Most people use these for rental investments, especially because of the location to where this is. It would make an incredible rental investment. Now let's get out to that amazing rooftop that I was just telling you guys about. Give you one more last look here. And this rooftop is the entire width of the condo. So downstairs, we're right above La Dolce Vita. If you know Basilio Badio pretty well, you're literally just less than 2 blocks until you get to the ocean. And look at the size of this covered patio. It is so big. You've got lots of options for what you would want to do here. And I did tell you that these are the doors that go to the bedroom. So both the bedroom and the living room space. Just to give you an idea for all of the space here. Alrighty, now that you have seen this gorgeous condo, let's make our way upstairs so you can see all of the amenities. One thing that I wanted to mention too is that you do have a garbage chute on every level. But let's get into the rooftop. Okay, so you are coming out of the elevator and into this super cozy space. This feels more like you're hanging out in somebody's living room than it does a rooftop. You also have a gym up here as well, which we'll get into that in just a second. There's an outdoor shower there, lots of covered space, and you do have a beautiful big pool here. I mean, look at the size of this pool, infinity edge pool that ends with a jacuzzi here. You've got some day beds. We're gonna get into all of that in just a second. And guys, you are a block and a half until you get over to the ocean. If you like walking out of your door into all the bars, shops, and restaurants, this is where you wanna be. Okay, give you a nice view here of this rooftop, and now let's walk over to the other side where you're gonna see there's an outdoor kitchen. If you wanted to have a barbecue up here, you've got a nice big space. Come up here in the afternoon, play some cards, some dominoes with friends. And the gym is incredible here too. Before I show you the gym, I'm gonna finish showing you this great rooftop. You have a couple of day beds up here. Ready? Great views. Now let's get into the gym. One of the things that I think is so great about this gym is they have everything and the equipment. Techno Gym is my favorite brand of gym equipment for these home gyms that they have here in the condo buildings. So you really have everything you could use here. You see they've got some ellipticals, a rowing machine here, a leg press, a bench. They have some cable machines here, a cable system, and then free weights. So you really have everything in here. And I'm just walking over to show you, you are literally in the heart of Puerto Vallarta romantic zone, surrounded by the Sierra Madre Mountains. This is where you want to come in, get a little sweat, go jump in the pool, and then head out to the beach. Go have some amazing ceviche. I can just plan your whole day for you right now. All right, so now that you have seen the amenities, let's get into a quick recap. Hang out to the end if you want to see some still shots and all the information of how you can get in contact with me. Alrighty, so now that you guys have seen this beautiful condo, let's get into the details one more time. You have 2 bedrooms here with 2 full baths, a little over 1,400 square feet. The asking price is $768,000 US. Look in the description down below if you want to see more information about this property and how you can get in contact with me. We can do a virtual showing or an in-person showing if you're here in Vallarta. Also, I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market. I know you did click like and subscribe, and hang out to the end if you want to see some still videos of this property. All right, guys, that's my time. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you at the next one. Bye, guys. Peace.